A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Whispering Cosmos, the mind as a mirror of infinity. Ladies and gentlemen, between the pulse of a heartbeat and the silence of distant galaxies, a hidden dialogue unfolds. It is not carried in language but in resonance, in the rhythm of atoms, in the glow of stars, and in the quiet currents of thought. Science calls it frequency, wisdom calls it order, and experience feels it as intuition and awareness. The mind, fragile yet infinite, stands as a mirror where the whispers of the cosmos find their reflection in life. Physiology reveals a precision more intricate than any symphony. The heart beats in cadence, lungs rise and fall like tides, and the brain hums with silent electrical music. Within this harmony, the limbic brain holds a special place, the seat of memory, emotion, and consciousness. More than a processor of thought, it acts as a transmitter of prayerful intent and a receiver of subtle guidance. Health and well-being are therefore foundations of awareness. A nourished body fuels clarity, emotional balance, empowers the limbic system to turn thought into purposeful action. Human life gets shaped in this silent alchemy where whispers of the mind become the story of destiny. Cosmobiology reminds that existence is written in stardust. Calcium in bones, iron in blood, and carbon in cells were forged in ancient stars. Planetary cycles guide circadian rhythms, lunar phases sway both tides and moods, and cosmic radiation reshapes DNA. The body is not apart from the cosmos, but its living echo. Quantum mechanics deepen this vision. Particles hover in possibility until observed, revealing observation itself as a creative act. Entangled particles stay connected across vast distances, dissolving the illusion of separation. The brain mirrors this truth. Thoughts and emotions ripple outward, influencing unseen bonds while drawing responses from the larger web of existence. Psychology and ancient wisdom converge here. Dreams and myths repeating across cultures are not accidents but resonances of universal patterns. Spiritual traditions spoke of Nada Brahma, the universe as sound, while modern physics sees vibrating strings at matter's foundation. Both affirm one truth: reality is resonance and consciousness is its listener. What's the way forward? The path ahead is not to choose between science and wisdom, but to weave them into living. 4 steps offer clarity. First, nurture the vessel. Mindful nutrition, rest and movement sustain the energy that powers the brain and stabilizes emotions. Second, balance the inner field. Compassion and gratitude calm the limbic brain, enabling it to function as transmitter of intent and receiver of guidance. Third, cultivate resonant stillness. Through meditation, breath or silence, the whispers of the universe become audible, shaping intuition and action with clarity. Fourth, expand cosmic intelligence. True intelligence extends beyond analysis into compassion. Choices in education, leadership, health, and technology can reflect the interconnectedness that binds all life. These steps require no ideology, only alignment with rhythms already present within the body, the mind, and the universe. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the revered Bhagavad Gita offers timeless clarity when Lord Krishna says, as a lamp in a windless place does not flicker, so the disciplined mind, united with the self, remains steady. Here, the lamp is consciousness, the wind is distraction, and the shelter is balance. When steady, the mind reflects the cosmos as it truly is vast, radiant, and guiding. To live in that steadiness is to let the inner sun rise, lighting both life and the world with harmony and purpose. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.